September we met, I could tell by your smile. You hadn't been with a good girl like me in a while. Yeah, you were impressed, couldn't leave me alone. Text me.
This is Rohit Gupta. Welcome you to my YouTube channel Roohankit. Today in this video we will be talking about 7 simple steps to earn respect from others. Learn how to earn and be respected by others. It starts with you and me. First of all, as an individual, we respect ourselves, then we respect others. Treat others with respect and you will see a drastic change in the world around you. So friends, do watch this video till the end because I will be going to tell you about 7 simple steps how to earn respect. But before that, if you haven't subscribed for my channel, please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon for more such upcoming videos. So friend, first of all, we need to understand respect. Respect means you all want respect. But are we doing something to earn that respect? Yes, it all starts with respecting yourself, then respecting others. So first of all, we need to respect ourselves, then only we will be giving respect to others. Now coming on to the 7 simple steps. Number 1 is pride in yourself. Your appearance, your lifestyle, your hygiene, your grooming, your personality. Show the world that you are the one. Show the world that you are having some self-worth, self-image, self-value. Value yourself. If you will value yourself, then only you will be able to value others. Respect yourself, then only you will be able to respect others. So pride in yourself, what you are, what character you are having. Now second tip is your beliefs. True to your feelings, true to your beliefs. Fulfill your beliefs, express your beliefs in front of the others. If the other person is not ready to accept, let it be. But you should be true to your beliefs and feelings, what you are believing, what feelings you are having. Don't try to disguise your feelings, your beliefs in front of the others. Tip number 3, the most important is speak respectfully in front of the others. Try to use the words thank you and excuse me. That will act you as a more polite and more polished person in front of the others. Don't ever try to use abusive or foul language among your company, among your group, or in front of the other person. You have to treat them respectfully by talking in a polite way. 4 is think before you react. Most of the individuals in our common general life, we behave irrationally, rudely with others, and afterwards we think that why we behave like that. So before reacting, we have to think whether we will be reacting in the same way or the other way. We have to be polite, we have to be polished, and we have to behave in a proper manner. So think before you react. Tip number 5, respect others. Now respect is a two-way process. If we want respect from others, we have to respect them also. So it's a give and take method. If we want respect from others, that everybody should respect us, we have to give them the respect. Whatever we are expecting from others, we have to first fulfill those expectations of other people from us. So we have to, it's a two-way process. Tip number 6 is don't do backbiting or bad talk. This is one of the major flaws in a human being. They always try to do backbiting, bad talk behind a certain individual. You will not be able to earn respect from this particular thing. While doing this, you will not be able to earn respect. If you don't agree with an other person, say bluntly that you don't agree, but avoid bad talk behind that particular person. Last but not the least, 7th point is be a man of your words. If you're going to do something, or you have told everyone that you are going to do something, try your best, put your best effort to do that thing. Don't settle on average or mediocrity level. Be a man of your words. Whatever you have told, whatever you have agreed or committed, try to fulfill that commitment. These are the 7 most important tips for personality development. So friends, if you like this video, do give thumbs up, share the feedback how you like this video in my comment section. Share the video as much as you can in your Facebook and WhatsApp group. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon so that in future you can get the notifications for my upcoming videos. Till then, have a nice day. Goodbye.